kain.
Sorry, that was again. What
Panita.
panita? I saw something yet.
Panita.
I'm hungry. Oh, that duck is for speedboats. This duck is for donuts.
Sa harapan ko dito mo. Yan.
Oh my god.
But this way is better. This way here is better. Yeah, this way is. I'm going to look for the beautiful beach. Ngayon lang ulit nakadrive ng motor ah. After 3 years. No, not just 3 years.
You drove last year.
Sa huahin lang. Here.
The locals here are kind of funny. Ilang oras ko ba? As long as we want.
Goods. 100.
Oh, wow.
100.
Hey!
Yeah. Saan nakatutok yung ano mo? Yung
Sangwall Beach, Tawaen Beach, Koh Larn Beach. Oh, the pier's this way.
the other way.
We're in the right direction. For once.
Oh! Video. Ayun yun. Yun daw. Oh!
Oh, we actually see the changing color.
Ayun sa baba oh. Ayun doon oh. Ayun doon. Oh my god. Paraiso. Woo!
Some people jump. On his shoulder.
Oh no! No, no, no! Lagi parang ano.
I'm scared my slatters are gonna come home. On his shoulder.
How can we get down?
Oh, there's 3 doggies.
Dito.
Uy! Uy! Yo, chill out.
Kain ko na dito. Sige na. Ako na mamaya.